Imagine soaring above a land painted in vibrant shades of green. The lushness of the landscape is almost surreal, a living canvas that stretches out beneath you. Lush rice paddies stretch as far as the eye can see, their vibrant green hues creating a patchwork of life and sustenance. These fields are the lifeblood of the region, feeding both body and soul. Dotted with tranquil backwaters and fringed by swaying coconut groves, the landscape is a serene blend of water and greenery. The backwaters are a network of interconnected canals, rivers and lakes that offer a unique ecosystem teeming with life. This is Kerala, a state in southern India affectionately known as God's own country. The name itself evokes a sense of divine beauty and tranquility, a place where nature and culture coexist in perfect harmony. From the air, it's easy to see why. The landscape unfolds like a storybook, each page revealing a new chapter of natural splendor and human ingenuity. The landscape is a breathtaking tapestry of nature's artistry. From the dense forests to the open fields, every element seems meticulously crafted to create a harmonious whole. Rolling hills give way to serene lagoons, each transition a gentle reminder of the land's diverse topography. The hills are often covered in tea plantations, their neatly trimmed rows adding a touch of human order to the natural chaos. While palm-fringed beaches meet the azure waters of the Arabian Sea, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. The beaches are not just places to unwind, but also gateways to the rich marine life that thrives in these waters. As you descend closer, the details of this tropical paradise come into sharper focus. The intricate patterns of the fields, the winding paths of the backwaters, and the vibrant colors of the flora all come together to create a mesmerizing mosaic. You might spot traditional houseboats gliding along the backwaters, their thatched roofs blending seamlessly with the surrounding greenery. These houseboats, known as ketavallams, are a testament to the region's rich cultural heritage and innovative spirit. Their thatched roofs blending seamlessly with the surrounding greenery, these houseboats offer a unique way to experience the tranquil beauty of the backwaters. They are floating sanctuaries, providing a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The air carries the sweet scent of spices, a reminder of Kerala's rich history as a trading hub. The spice plantations are a sensory delight, with the aroma of cardamom, pepper and cloves filling the air and adding an exotic touch to the landscape. This aerial perspective offers just a glimpse of the wonders that await you in Kerala. From the vibrant green fields to the tranquil backwaters, every corner of this land has a story to tell. It's a land of immense natural beauty, vibrant culture and warm hospitality. The people of Kerala are known for their friendliness and warmth, making every visitor feel at home. Get ready to immerse yourself in a sensory experience unlike any other. The sights, sounds and smells of Kerala will captivate your senses and leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. Kerala invites you to slow down, breathe deep and reconnect with the beauty of the natural world. Whether you're exploring the lush landscapes or simply relaxing by the beach, this is a place where you can truly unwind. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or a cultural immersion, God's own country promises an unforgettable journey. From trekking in the hills to exploring ancient temples, there's something for everyone in this diverse and enchanting land. Come discover the magic that unfolds beneath the emerald canopy of Kerala. This is a place where every moment is a new discovery, and every experience is a step closer to understanding the true essence of this incredible land. No trip to Kerala is complete without experiencing the tranquility of its backwaters. This enchanting region, often referred to as the Venice of the East, is a labyrinth of waterways that stretch over 900 kilometers. The backwaters are a unique ecosystem, home to a diverse array of flora and fauna, and they offer a glimpse into a way of life that has remained largely unchanged for centuries. And there's no better way to do so than aboard a traditional houseboat, known as a ketavallam. These houseboats are not just a mode of transport, they are a floating sanctuary, providing a perfect blend of comfort and authenticity. As you step aboard, you are transported to a world where time seems to stand still. These elegant vessels, once used for transporting rice and spices, have been beautifully converted into floating homes. Each houseboat is a testament to the rich cultural heritage of Kerala, with intricate woodwork and traditional decor that reflect the region's artistic traditions. The interiors are designed to offer all modern amenities while retaining a rustic charm. They offer a unique and immersive way to explore the intricate network of canals, lagoons and lakes that make up the Kerala backwaters. As you glide through these serene waters, you'll pass by lush paddy fields, quaint villages and dense coconut groves, each offering a new perspective on the natural beauty of Kerala. As you embark on your houseboat journey, you'll be greeted by the gentle lapping of water against the hull and the rustling of palm fronds in the breeze. The soothing sounds of nature create a peaceful ambience, perfect for relaxation and reflection. The pace of life slows down to match the rhythm of the water. This unhurried pace allows you to fully immerse yourself in the experience, leaving behind the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's a chance to reconnect with nature and find inner peace. Days are spent leisurely cruising along the backwaters, soaking in the serene beauty of your surroundings. The ever-changing landscape with its myriad shades of green and blue provides a feast for the eyes. Each moment on the backwaters is a reminder of the simple pleasures of life. Watch local life unfold on the banks. Fishermen cast their nets, children play, and villagers go about their daily routines. This close-up view of rural life offers a deeper understanding of the culture and traditions of Kerala. And women wash clothes by the water's edge. The backwaters are not just a scenic backdrop, they are an integral part of the local community's daily life. Every activity from fishing to farming is intertwined with these waters. The houseboats themselves are a marvel of traditional craftsmanship. Each one is meticulously constructed by skilled artisans who have inherited their craft from generations past. The attention to detail in the construction is evident in every curve and joint. Crafted from local materials like bamboo, coconut fiber and koa, they are surprisingly spacious and comfortable. The use of natural materials not only adds to the aesthetic appeal, but also ensures that the houseboats blend harmoniously with their surroundings. Most houseboats come with a skilled chef on board, ready to whip up delicious meals using fresh local ingredients. The culinary experience on a houseboat is a journey in itself, with each meal offering a taste of Kerala's rich and diverse cuisine. Savor the flavors of Kerala cuisine as you dine on the decks, surrounded by the sights and sounds of the backwaters. From spicy curries to fresh seafood, every dish is a celebration of the region's culinary heritage. Dining under the open sky with the gentle sway of the houseboat and the tranquil waters around you is an experience that will linger in your memory long after the journey ends. Journey into the misty hills of Munnar, and you'll find yourself amidst a sea of emerald green. This is tea country, where rolling hills are blanketed in seemingly endless tea plantations. The air is cool and crisp, infused with the intoxicating aroma of tea leaves. Munnar's tea gardens offer a feast for the senses and a fascinating glimpse into the world of tea production. Take a stroll through the tea estates, where you'll encounter tea pluckers skillfully harvesting the finest leaves. They move with practiced ease, their baskets quickly filling with the tender buds. Learn about the different varieties of tea grown in Munnar, each with its unique flavor profile. Discover the journey from leaf to cup. Visit a nearby tea factory to witness the transformation firsthand. The factory is a hive of activity. Watch as the leaves are withered, rolled, fermented and dried, each step crucial in developing the tea's unique character. Of course, no visit to a tea factory is complete without a tasting session. Sample a variety of freshly brewed teas and savor the nuanced flavors. You'll find yourself wanting to take home a piece of this aromatic paradise. Section 4. Kerala Ayurveda, ancient healing traditions. Kerala is renowned not only for its natural beauty, but also for its ancient healing traditions. Nestled in the southwestern coast of India, Kerala is a land where the past and present coexist harmoniously. The lush green landscapes, serene backwaters and vibrant culture make it a unique destination for those seeking holistic wellness. Ayurveda, which translates to the science of life, is deeply ingrained in Kerala's culture. This ancient system of medicine dates back over 5,000 years and is considered one of the oldest healthcare systems in the world. The wisdom of Ayurveda has been passed down through generations, preserving its authenticity and effectiveness. It's a holistic system of medicine that emphasizes the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit. Unlike modern medicine, which often focuses on treating symptoms, Ayurveda aims to address the root cause of ailments, promoting overall well-being and longevity. The principles of Ayurveda are based on the balance of the three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. For centuries, people have flocked to Kerala to experience the rejuvenating power of Ayurveda. The state's reputation as a hub for Ayurvedic healing has attracted visitors from all over the world seeking relief from various ailments and a deeper connection with their inner selves. The serene environment of Kerala enhances the healing process, making it an ideal destination for wellness tourism. Step into a traditional Ayurvedic spa or wellness retreat, and you'll be greeted with a sense of tranquility and well-being. These centers are designed to provide a sanctuary from the stresses of modern life, offering a peaceful atmosphere where one can unwind and rejuvenate. The architecture and decor often reflect traditional Kerala aesthetics, creating a harmonious blend of comfort and culture. The air is often filled with the soothing aroma of incense and essential oils. These natural fragrances play a crucial role in the healing process, as they help to calm the mind and create a serene environment. The use of aromatic herbs and oils is a testament to the deep connection between nature and Ayurveda. Consultations with experienced Ayurvedic practitioners are an integral part of the experience. These practitioners, known as Vaidyas, have extensive knowledge of Ayurvedic principles and treatments. They take the time to understand each individual's unique constitution, lifestyle, and health concerns, ensuring that the treatments are tailored to meet their specific needs. They will assess your individual constitution and recommend personalized treatments and dietary advice. This personalized approach is one of the key strengths of Ayurveda, as it recognizes that each person is unique and requires a customized plan for optimal health. The recommendations may include herbal remedies, dietary changes, lifestyle modifications, and therapeutic treatments. Ayurvedic treatments are designed to restore balance and harmony within the body. The goal is to eliminate toxins, strengthen the immune system, and promote overall well-being. Treatments often involve a combination of therapies, including herbal medicines, massages, and detoxification procedures. They often involve the use of herbal oils, massages, steam baths, and specialized diets. These therapies work together to cleanse the body, improve circulation, and enhance the body's natural healing abilities. The use of natural ingredients ensures that the treatments are gentle yet effective. Indulge in a soothing Abhyanga massage, where warm herbal oils are rhythmically massaged into the body, promoting relaxation and detoxification. This traditional massage technique is known for its ability to relieve stress, improve skin health, and boost overall vitality. The rhythmic strokes and warm oils create a deeply relaxing experience that rejuvenates both the body and mind. Or experience the invigorating effects of a Shirodhara treatment, in which a steady stream of warm oil is poured onto the forehead, calming the mind and relieving stress. This unique therapy is particularly effective for mental clarity, emotional balance, and deep relaxation. The gentle flow of oil creates a meditative state, allowing the mind to release tension and achieve a sense of inner peace. Section 5. Kovalam and Varkala Beach Coastal Paradises. Kerala's coastline stretches for miles, dotted with idyllic beaches that offer the perfect escape from the everyday. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, Kerala's beaches have something for everyone. Kovalam, with its crescent-shaped beaches and azure waters, is a popular choice for sun seekers and water sports enthusiasts alike. Relax on the golden sands of Lighthouse Beach, the most famous of Kovalam's 3 beaches. Take a refreshing dip in the Arabian Sea or try your hand at surfing or parasailing. For a more laid-back vibe, head to Hawa Beach or Samudra Beach. These beaches offer a quieter escape, perfect for leisurely strolls and soaking up the sun. Further up the coast lies Varkala, a hidden gem known for its dramatic cliffs, secluded coves, and mineral springs. Indulge in a rejuvenating Ayurvedic massage overlooking the sea. Adventure seekers can hike to the top of the cliffs for breathtaking views of the coastline, or explore the hidden coves and natural swimming pools formed by the rocky outcrops.